This is the set of the sound of Southside. Right there in the middle of the action.
It's a tribute to jazz, it's a tribute to Jamaica, Queens.
We're getting it done.
I'm excited.
All right, action. Ready? Yeah.
Yo.
Year. Day one.
Day one.
All right.
Derek.
Yo, what up? Day one.
James.
Hello. Happy to be here.
Ben. Hey.
Hey.
Let the people know who you are and who you're playing.
My name is James Ross. I'm going to be playing Malachi. Honored to be in this film.
Yeah.
This film's all about, it's a tribute to jazz, it's a tribute to Jamaica, Queens. And it's a blessing. Day one feels great. I mean, it's hot. It's real hot, but you know, I mean, it's supposed to be, right?
Exactly.
Close your eyes and imagine, feel the
That's been nice to do. Hand up as usual.
And one last time, that was
That makes sense. So we started with him, but we can faster than he's walking. We can't let him into the frame, and then we'll go straight again as he goes to the elevator.
about classes, do my name get brought up? I remember I couldn't afford a Ford Escort or even a 4-track recorder. So it's only right that I let the top drop on a drop-top Porsches. For yourself, that's important. If it's stripper named Portia and you get tips from any man, then your fat friend, her nickname is Minivan.
Wrap your first day.
Feels good. It's nice and hot. It's like 100 degrees outside. We're right there in the middle of the action, trying to get drone shots, ducking police. It's a thrill, but it's coming together nicely.
Benna, how you feeling, my guy?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
Different from what I'm used to, but it's pretty interesting.
Yeah. Proud of you.
That's a
So, Mr. Director, what are we doing today?
So right now we're just getting a quick sequence where one of our characters is speaking into the cell phone, making an IG live video, actually recording that on a cell phone. So that's what we're seeing right now.
Okay. And there he is right there, our actor Miles, playing Sabine.
So we're just. My apologies, family. Since when is the street so busy?
Exactly. It's never busy, but as soon as we want to film.
No, it's crazy because the street is never busy. So now, of course, let's just wait until this clears.
Every night looks every day up. Every day patches done weather. Oh God, using my shit to stay pale. No one got it still I fuck my 28th up.
I feel like I tried just to wrap the whole messages before I get to the gate. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Nah, take as long as you want.
That's static. And we could only eat at Sony's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use this while I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address.
$200,000 just isn't enough.
What? Like the actual. Not when you hit it. Not when you strike it. Not when you strike it.
Say the line.
World, today is my first official day on set of The Sound of Southside. And this is my character's outfit of the day. Cute little top, pants that I've had since 5 ever, and sandals, and a head wrap. Alright, I'm excited, I'm ready to get started. We're waiting for everybody else to come. Tyro is here. Benna is here. And that's all we have right now, but everybody else is on the way, and then we're gonna get started filming. Okay.
The pool scene, the pool table scene.
That's the shirt behind this one.
Love it. Hi, Landon.
Ready to act like you can't play anymore?
Hey man, I'm ready for this day to be unpredictable in a good way.
What?
I kind of want your character to. The film is essentially about jazz music, you know. So your character pretty much embodies what that is, you know. So yeah, just a little context about Nasir.
I was thinking about Nasir Jones.
Yeah.
Queens.
That's what I named him after, really.
Yes, I was thinking of that the whole time. Even the voice, like inflections, like.
All right. On 3, we're gonna start. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like that's.
Ty, how's it looking?
Looking good. It's looking good.
Yeah. James, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Yeah. Ben, how you feeling?
Doing well.
You chill. How you feeling?
I'm ready.
It's a vibe coming together.
I know that's right. Landon, how you feeling?
I'm about to go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. I'm about to go lay down.
Justin! What's up? Who you play? You with us? Okay. This is towards the end of the day. They're getting the last scene in for the day. And we're in this little ass basement where James's character is gonna
Shot to connect this and the theater part that we just shot. Okay. So what we're gonna do is you're still gonna be leading James, and that's when you give your line. Like, is it? What do you say? Is it this far back or?
I say all the way over here.
Yeah, all the way over here. Yeah. So he's gonna be like all the way over here, and then.
You ain't afraid, are you?
Yeah, that's what you said. And you just walk right past the frame, and that'll be that cut. And then we'll worry about this next.
Gotcha.
All right. So first we're gonna be this way. Oh, he's over here. Okay. So Arthur, you're gonna be leading.
Yeah.
So I didn't have it.
Is it in the room?
It's in the room. It's in the closet, yeah. I mean, the room where all the rest of our stuff is.
And you brought it the scene where we were walking up?
I did.
All right.
Do you need a key for it?
I got it cut.
All right. I'm just gonna run and get it real quick.
Our director is on the run. And
This just
there
reminds
he's
me
on.
of like Soul, son. You know, just like a TV in the corner, just like, I want to play a game.
Here comes a little tricycle.
And take one.
Step my game up after that performance.
Yeah.
So today what we're doing is getting a quick Super 8 shot of Amanda crossing the street. I'm gonna be up here on the 3rd floor, and I'm gonna be tracking her with the camera as she comes into the building.
Yeah.
We'll start you on this corner, so your action will be cross here and here.
It is, what's today?
Today is
October 25th.
Director was miles away.
Oh, shoot, no.
August.
Today's August 25th. We're at Tyrell's childhood home filming a scene for the Sound of Southside. We've been here all morning, and now it's afternoon. We're about to go get the last shot. That's Elliot, the sound guy. That's Landon, he's helping out. That's Derek, our cinematographer. That's Tyrell, our director. Jason, my scene partner, is somewhere to be found, and we are here live and direct. Okay, see you guys outside. This is the outfit I had on it last year, so I had to keep it. Baby. Hi guys.
Hey.
That's D. Say hello, D. This is your first time on the vlog. How are you?
I'm just ready to go to sleep right now. This couch. And
It's a nice
this
couch in here.
amazing house of the artist.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It's just lovely. I'm so
you.
comfortable in it.
Who's that right there?
This is my son.
That's your son?
Yes.
Oh, I can't wait for the people to see the movie. Louisa. Alright, today we are at VP Records filming for the sound of Southside. I can't even talk in here because music, but whatever, hold on. Alright, I had to rush here because I was supposed to get here yet, but Ty wanted me to get here early to film my scene earlier, so I was like, let's do it. Anyways, alright. Okay, welcome everybody. So I'm here with James and Binna, and we are in Rufus Kings Park. We're filming a couple of scenes here today before we are wrapped for today, which is Saturday, August. No, it's September 3rd, right? So after we're done with this, tomorrow is gonna be my last filming day and not James's last filming day. He has one more scene.
That's your last filming day?
Yeah, that's my last filming day. I know, but I'm excited though.
But you're gonna be there anyway.
Yeah, okay. But I'm about to go down there and show y'all what they're doing right there. Okay. All right, let's go. Look at the park. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Man, can you hold this real quick?
Hi, Miles.
Hey.
Mr. Miles, can you please introduce yourself to the people?
Hello, I'm Miles Solomon. I play Kyle.
And please let us know what this process has been like for you so far.
It's been really great. Everyone's so nice and friendly, and it's a great environment.
Oh my gosh.
Having a lot of fun.
I'm so happy. You're not lying, are you?
What?
You're not lying.
I'm not lying.
All right, I'm watching you. Elliot is the sound master.
Alright, about to roll it.
Okay.
Promo A.
Corey Towns, y'all.
Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. One of those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know.
Alright. Action. Try to replicate that with this. So literally the same framing. No, not the over the shoulder. The wide that we got when we were over here. So action, we're gonna get the full wide. So this is you acknowledging your mom taking a seat right here.
Okay, you want me to play a little, like catch her in my eye and then stop?
Right. So next thing we're gonna get the whole wide, the whole action. So he's gonna play his sax for a couple 5 seconds. He's gonna see you. Once he sees you, he's gonna sit down on the bench. You're gonna join him on the bench and run that whole scene, and then he's gonna end out the scene by playing his sax one more time.
Yeah, alright, so we are getting the last scene of the night, and it has been a long time coming. There was this man that was sitting right there, and he would not move, even though we asked him kindly, like, hey, like, we didn't even ask him to move. At first, we just asked him to be quiet because we're trying to film something, and he just was like, I don't have to do anything, we're just like, okay. Anyway, so he's gone finally, but we was filming regardless, and he was coughing, huffing, and puffing, like smoking weed, and then took out his asthma pump, like, you smoking weed and you got asthma? Whatever. Anyway, so we're getting this final scene and then we'll be done for the night. They've been filming since 12 p.m. today. Yeah. Anyways, alright, y'all. Later. Today is September 10th, 2022, and we are here at JPAC filming the biggest scene for the Sound of Southside. It is going to be the performance scene at the Jazz Club. So let's take a little look inside and see what everybody's getting into, alright? Oh yeah, so they haven't started filming yet. They're getting the first shot ready. Ty is up on stage. This is the day that he's been like thinking about the most and planning the most. So I know he's a little bit like, but it's going to all be so beautiful. I know. Alright, let's go look. There they are, getting Cito ready with his Mike, Derek, and James over there. Ty is talking to Ben about some logistics, I'm guessing. Let's go see and talk to Cito. Cito?
Sure, man.
Hi, can you tell us who you are?
It's your boy Cito Blanco, man, Paul from the Bronx. We on set right now.
Oh, yeah?
And then, you know what I'm saying, some call me Jay to the double AZ, because I keep them moving in their seats, you know what I'm saying?
Who know what you're here doing today?
So, I am the host of a jazz night. Kind of on some more better Cito vibes.
Let's see the fit.
You know,
The
I'm
fit.
on my Fab, what was it, Fab Fives Blanco. You know what I'm saying? Yo, MTV Jazz.
Have our actor, Mr. James, teaching our cinematographer how to play songs. Hey, baby. How you feeling today?
There are like training boards, right?
Right.
But hi, I'm Jazz. Well, Mr. Jazz. To you.
I want you all in your places. Be cued the first time you want to hear it? Yeah. All right. Ben.
Don't be sad. We'll bring them back up and then just like.
Ben is up there.
What I would do is I would cue the music first, and then bring you guys back up right after.
Oh, so you want them to start in the dark?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
What are we getting ready to do now, Ty?
We're getting ready to record the performance of the first song before anyone gets here. So close-ups and that kind of stuff.
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Tell future Ty who'll be watching this something.
Ty's having fun. I'm in my zone, I'm in my bag, and we're getting it done.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the lights down on this one, and on action, we'll just raise them and start the music as we would on the previous take, but we're starting with them already in the positions with this one. All right. Song B, take one. All right, so we can bring the lights down, and action. Maybe what we can do is just do a slight movement. Song C, take two. All right, good. You set there? All right, action.
It starts in a very weird spot, like in the middle between.
I'm still rolling.
All right, action. So, Derek, before we get the whole song, let's just push into him real quick as he gets the first couple notes to get started. Oh.
Pushing from down here?
Yeah. So it's literally just the first couple notes he gets. We just need something like to start out. Nothing right now. All right. So we're angled right here, maybe, and it can be.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. You won't break
So the family and friends are here.
This is the set of The Sound of Southside. This is a new film that my friends and I are working on. We've been working on it for the last couple of weeks now. And this particular day, we're shooting a jazz performance scene. So we have actors who are also musicians. They're going to be playing music. And what we're asking for is for you guys to just be an audience. React, clap, feel free to cheer, and just be natural. The only rule is just don't look directly into the camera lens. And yeah, we're going to start shooting at 4 p.m. to give everyone time to eat. And yeah, thank you for being here.
Woohoo!
Liking